Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to learn top 5 MIS tips and tricks, and these are the 5 questions which are really going to be very helpful, and these are the questions which will open your, the veins of your mind. Okay, so let's start. So here you guys can see the first question. So here the question is the find out the missing number. If you will look at the A column, so in the A column that I do have some numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, and I don't have 4. It is directly 5. So I just need to find out which number is missing. So after 3 it should be 4, but it is 5. So this is the number which we have to highlight in the B column. So let's do how we can do that. Simple. If this minus this is equal to 1, then blank, else let's keep this number. Okay, else minus 1. Just look. Now here we are having error just because of we are divide. We are just doing the subtraction from A2. In the A2 we do have the text value. That's why. Just put the if error. Now drag it. Now here if you will look at, so after 3 it should be 4. The 4 is here. Okay, this is the number which is missed, and after 6 it should be 7, but directly it is 8. Now if you will go little down, so it after 10 it should be 11, but it is directly 12. So these are the number, okay, which are missing right in the A column, and this is the function which will, this is the formula which will help you, okay, to get the missing number. Okay, so now let's go to the question number 2. In the question number 2, what it says, find out the unique and duplicates employee name from the below mentioned list. For example, we do have some employee names here, and here we have to identify the status. So if this A is repeating more than one time, so it should be as duplicate. It is like a duplicate. If something which is repeating only one time, which is only one time, okay, not more than one, then it should be unique. Okay, this is what we have to highlight. So let's count this employee name by using countif. Equal to countif. Drag it. Okay, so whatever the numbers are more than 1, okay, that is duplicate, and whatever the number is 11, which means that those are unique. So if this is equal to 1, then unique, else duplicate. This is something which is, which will use your little brain to understand the question, but when you will solve it, so it is very simple to solve below. Okay, that's it. I hope guys you have understood these two questions. Now let's go to the question number 3. In the question number 3, if we will look at, so we do have price in the A column, and we do have the bike names, okay, in the B column. Here we have to identify in this yellow cell, for example, I have to identify which is the most expensive bike. Okay, which is the most expensive bike. How we can get that? So simply what you have to do, right here, equal to large, okay, and comma 1. 7641, this is the largest number. Okay, this is the this is the maximum price. Okay, so here we do have a price, so against this price what bike we do have? So simple, right here VLOOKUP, you have to write here equal to VLOOKUP, and or XLOOKUP also you can use, but let's do VLOOKUP, because in most of your system that might you would not have XLOOKUP. So simple, equal to choose curly bracket 1 comma 2, and now first this one, okay, then comma this one, okay, then 2 comma 0, enter. So platina, so if you will look here, the platina 7641, and if you will go above, nothing is starting from 7, you look. So this is the expensive bike we do have in this list. Okay, and that is what we have got here. In case that now Honda is now 10,000, now it will be Honda, so it will also change, as soon as your data will fluctuate. So I hope guys that you guys have understood this as well. Now let's go to the question number 4. In the question number 4, if you will look at, so here we do have in A column we have a login time and login date, then in B column we have a login time. On 1st of May 2019, okay, the staff logged at 8:30 morning, and the staff log out, okay, directly on 4th of May, which means after 4 days at 34 a.m. So what is the total number of hours? What is the total login hours that we have to calculate based on this data. So what you have to do, simple equal to text, then open bracket minus logout time with the login time, plus then again logout time minus login time. That's it. And here you have to give here h, then ss. Okay, now if you will press OK, so this is the total number of hours the staff worked. This is how you have to calculate, guys. This is how you have to calculate. This is a little tricky, but I hope guys you have understood. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment box. From there I will lead and I will try to emphasize these doubts in the next video. Okay, so let's go in the question number 5. In the question number 5, we do have list A and list B. We have to find out the common values. With, for example, that we do have some the values in the A column which we are having in the B column, but the position is not same. For example, here it is 200. 200 is here not on the same. I mean, for example, 104. So 104 or 500. 500 is not here. Okay, not in the row number 10. 500 is available on the row number 7, which means this value is existing still in the A column. So which means this value 500 is here, 500 is, which means okay, the 500 is the common in the both the list. We have to get the how many common values we do have in the both the list. So simply equal to countif, range is this and criteria is this, enter, and then right here equal to sum. Total 5 common values we do have, okay, in this both the list. I hope guys you have understood. Do let me know if you guys have any question. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot, and I will also attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can go and download it for your practice. Thank you very much guys.